Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Remove the breather hose. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 5 holding screws on the airbox flange. Remove the flange. Take out the air filter. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the new filter in. Ensure that the rubber washer is correctly placed in position. Put everything back in its position. Make sure you pose it correctly to facilitate screwing. Using the Phillips screwdriver, rescrew all the holding screws. Put the breather hose back in place. Operation completed.
Hello! If this video helps you, like and subscribe.